Rehabilitation efforts at the main stand of the Marchand ground were reduced to a snarl following the theft of the contractor's equipment in a brazen breaking. The rehabilitation of the Marchand ground falls under the $80 million sporting infrastructure program, spearheaded by the National Lotteries Authority, NLA. Contractor Irvin Hippolyte says the stolen items are valued at thousands of dollars.
They went in and they got the keys for the toolbox that we had with a lot of our power tools and machinery and stuff. They took quite a bit of our equipment.
The theft, which targeted a 40-foot container storing critical tools, has derailed the vital steelworks phase of the project, an essential step in the restoration process. Thieves made away with welding machines, grinders, power tools, hand tools, and generators.
In fact, they actually crippled us because, these were the major tools that we use for our daily operations. So all that was stolen. Actually, I called I went to the police station that night. I made a report. The police came and they took statements. But up to date, they have not been able to apprehend anybody.
That project falls under the $80 million NLA sporting infrastructure program, which sees a lot of different sporting facilities around the island being upgraded, revitalized, and stuff like that. So in your capacity, that means you do know when you can start up again, if you can start up again?
Well, we've actually started again last week. So up to today, we out there working, but not with the speed that we had before, because the equipment that we lost definitely retarded us to a certain extent, and it definitely slows us down, it really it decreases it increases the time factor for completion. Yeah, but we're trying to do as best as we can with the equipment that we have left.
The restoration, which began in July last year, aimed to revitalize the metal structure supporting the grandstand at the famed facility. With the project now moving considerably slower, the situation raises serious concerns about security and the progress of the project. Hippolyte laments how the hard work of dedicated laborers has been undermined by unscrupulous thieves indifferent to the damage caused by their actions.
In life, things of that nature, or owning a business of your own, doesn't come overnight. And if they themselves had to have a business, they'll realize it takes quite a bit of time to accumulate the equipment that we have, So it's not an overnight thing. But how would they feel to see that maybe, sometimes 30 years of achievement just go down the drain in one night? And what I would tell them is to maybe get a better sense of appreciating what any national can do it when it comes to creating employment, because we create employment for other young men.
The incident has been reported to the police and investigations are underway to recover the stolen equipment and bring the culprits to justice.